Anong magiging response mo kapag sinendan kita ng ganitong message? So I've been sending messages to my friends and my VIP clients kasi may special offer kami sa AIA and I cannot not reach out to them kasi baka sabihin nila bakit hindi ko sinabi sa kanila, di ba? So ito yung message, I sent this to my wife kaya walang mga pangalan. No? So let's say hello name, let's say hello DJ. Gusto ko lang i-share sa iyo itong special offer namin with AIA kasi till December lang ito available. Meron kaming 2 years mo lang uhulugan, then forever ka nang may guaranteed payout until age 100. Kapag ipinangalan mo sa anak mo, name ng anak mo, I edit the message, magiging till age 100 niya ang benefits. Nasa 1.2 million lang per year yung huhulugan mo. 2 years mo uhulugan, total of around 2.4 million. Then, you will get 100,000 pesos guaranteed every 2 years. So, bukod sa insurance na 2 million pesos, that will go to the beneficiary of the insured. Alright? It is a nice legacy plan for your family. Baka lang may budget ka for this. I feel I need to share this with you kasi limited offer lang. So, basically, may guaranteed na matatanggap na pera and it's a pamana plan. This is not an investment. Ito yung may pera ka, maybe nasa bangko or some other place or kumikita na maganda yung business mo and then gusto mong ilipat dito. Isubi na yung kita. Diba? So, ang presumption, you have a business, may maganda kang trabaho, maganda yung kita mo, kesa malugi pa to, isubi mo na sa amin sa AIA and kami na bahalang mag-distribute sa kamag-anak mo or sa anak mo. Diba? So, ganun. Forever ang benefits up until age 100 makukuha yung benefits. So, kung ikaw yung makakatanggap nitong message na to, ano magiging response mo? I've been getting a lot of positive responses. Nagtatanong sila kung pwede bang monthly, pwede bang quarterly. So, sabi ko, yes, kasi 2 years to pay lang naman ito. And then, sabi ko, kung hindi ikaw, baka may mga kilala ka, kindly refer me. Basta hanggang December lang to. So, sabi nung yung isa niyang kaibigan from the US, uuwi, tama-tama, so sasabihan niya and all. So how about you? So gusto mo ba ng ganitong plan? What are your thoughts about this type of plan namin sa AIA? Leave in the comment section or send me a message kung meron ka mga questions.